I just figured out a way for the pad on the Nord to sound like it has like an ocean or wind kind of texture behind it. Let me show you because this is a worship pad game changer. Turn on your synth section, go to Warm Pad 1, go over here to the oscillator configuration, turn it to where it says noise 2. It's going to start with 12 semitones. That's fine. Go to your oscillator controller or control. You're going to turn it to about 2 o'clock. Go to your frequency. You're going to turn it to about 10 o'clock. And then I want you to adjust throughout all of the semitones. It goes from sub to upwards of 40 and 50. All of them sound incredible. They all have different sounds. Here's an example of all of them played out. It doesn't take a scientist to figure all that out, but unfortunately, it does take a Nord scientist to figure that out. And my diploma is a fake. Happy playing.